Hey guys, Dr. Rob here today. I want to welcome you to another one of my whiteboard sessions where we are going to discuss the one food that has more antioxidants than any other food on the planet, like pound per pound. And you guys probably have never heard of this one, but pound per pound, what's the most powerful antioxidant-enriched food on the planet? And the answer is this little guy right over here. It's called maqui, like it's pronounced M-A-K-E-Y. This maqui is unbelievable. Pound per pound, the highest quantity of antioxidants per any food. Now, why are antioxidants so important? Well, as we age, one of the things that we experience is what's called free radical damage. Free radical damage, basically like they're these compounds. They're also called reactive oxygen species. They're these compounds in the body that have the potential to react with and damage our DNA, which is not good, right? Our DNA tells our cells, hey, turn into a liver cell. Hey, turn into a beautiful skin cell. Hey, turn into a muscle cell, right? So that is being told by our DNA to our cells, and then our cells carry out that command. The problem is when our DNA gets damaged over and over and over again, it starts to mix up its messages. It starts to tell like the skin cells, hey, become kind of a nice skin cell, but yeah, we don't care too much about it. If you have a crater or a wrinkle, it doesn't really matter. Now the cool thing is your cells actually have a mechanism, these little enzymes that repair when there's damage there. They have their little own mechanics. And they go around and they go, oh, we got a broken piece in the DNA. They splice it and put it back together. But the more and more hits that the DNA takes, the harder it becomes for the cell's DNA to repair itself. Eventually you start to get abnormal cells, and then you get into disease, you get into cancer, you get into heart disease, you get into diabetes, you get into aging, you get into fatigue, and all the symptoms that we see occur in a person when they get older. Now, when we look at the body cellularly, it's actually meant to exist at least 120 years, but we know the average person lives around 72 years. So one of the things that we can do that would be anti-aging in nature, potentially disease preventing in nature, obesity preventing, right, is to make sure we have a lot of antioxidants. So I love this stuff right here. I add it to my smoothies. Of course, I combine it with Dr. Rob's Rainbow Greens. So why is it called Rainbow Greens? Because in it, it has just about every color in the rainbow. When I made this, I put in there apple, strawberry, blueberry, blackberry, raspberry, wheatgrass juice, spirulina, broccoli sprout concentrate, onion extract. Onion extract? Yeah, don't worry, it tastes great. We cover up the taste. Tomato, broccoli, kale, spinach, Brussels sprouts. Yes, actually, 2 scoops of this, 2 little scoops of this, about 2 tablespoons, has the antioxidant capacity of if you ate a gallon of vegetables. So think about how big a gallon is. That's how much 2 scoops has here in antioxidant capacity. So when we combine these 2 together, oh, I love it. I love it. I'll throw this in my morning green drink. The other thing that I really like to add is I like to add these medicinal mushrooms, right? So these are here, this is the Sacred 7. And the Sacred 7 has a lot of different mushrooms that are really important. Reishi, maitake, cordyceps, shiitake, lion's mane. And these are great adaptogenic mushrooms that help us combat stress. They're also excellent for our immune system, right? Supporting an anti-cancer environment. And then the last thing sometimes I will add is a little Biochlorella. And I like this just because of the additional detoxification regarding heavy metals. My diet's really clean, but I do eat a lot of fish. And even though my fish is wild caught, it's getting harder and harder to eat clean fish. I mean, that's the simple truth, you know, even if you're eating from the sea, the seafood, man, our oceans are polluted, you know, I wish they weren't, but they are getting more and more polluted. So it's getting harder and harder to get clean fish. So I like Biochlorella. I like adding this product. Again, I don't sell this in my office. The only one I do sell is, of course, Dr. Rob's Rainbow Greens, which I really love this product. And I'm very proud of it too. But I do add this formulation as well, simply because I want that extra heavy metal detoxification. I might actually add Biochlorella to my Rainbow Greens at some point, but right now I just add it additionally here by hand. So those are my guys here. I like the maqui. I love my rainbow greens, I love my Biochlorella, and I love my Sacred 7 mushrooms. So I hope that helped you guys. I encourage you to add it to your green drinks, to your smoothies in the morning time, lunchtime. And look, if you want some really cool smoothie recipes, just go ahead, go to my website, email me, or just shoot up. Actually, you know what? I'll put an email address down here at the bottom. You can email us directly and we will personally send you some very good, super healthy smoothie recipes that are good for different conditions. The other thing that I'd like you to do is look, if you are suffering with a weight or health problem and you've been struggling with it for a while, stop it. Stop struggling with it. Why are you struggling with it? Come see me. I've been in practice for over 21 years. We've worked with over 13,500 patients and clients from 43 other US states and 23 other countries. We've been doing this for a while, guys. There's no reason for you to suffer, okay? Finances, we will take care of it. We will make the care as affordable as possible. We will work with you. We will bend over backwards to do whatever we need to do to serve you and to help you and just to take care of you. Let me take care of you. Let my clinic take care of you. I would love to take care of you guys. So if you want my help, please click on the link down here. Take my free online weight loss and health evaluation and then come on and see me. Let my staff and myself give you care like you've never experienced. We will treat you like a Hollywood superstar because in all honesty, we've all been there. If you haven't seen my own before and after pictures, I've had my own health issues. I know what it's like, and I understand the type of support an individual needs to really combat a weight problem and really combat a health problem. So if you're struggling, you need some help, click on that link and I will help you. If not, get yourself some Biochlorella, some Sacred 7, some Maquis, and some Dr. Rob's Rainbow Greens, okay? I'll catch you at the next whiteboard session. Thank you very much for your time today, guys. Bye.